Hello, guys. Welcome back home. Today we have a colleague in the
Okay,
building
okay,
that will be
okay.
teaching us about how he got admission into law and how he was able to study government. Because I know that you guys have been complaining that you need an art student to explain how to score high in these subjects. If you have not watched how to score high in literature, we just discussed it, and you can go and watch the video using this link. Now, over to you, Ebuka. He will introduce himself and he will help us and tell us how he was able to score high in JAMB Government and how you can also score high and apply the same techniques that he used. Ebuka, over to you.
Yeah, so guys, I'm Michael Chikwebukabo. I'm performing as Tintin in school. So I'm a 20 level law student in UNN. I got admitted in 2020. So I'm here to like give you guys guidance on how you can study for your government and then make at least an 80 or 100 in your government. Thank you.
Yeah, you can continue, Ebuka. The challenges you faced
Okay.
preparing for government, then the mistakes you made, the textbooks you used, your best recommendation, and if you are writing JAMB again, how would you prepare for it?
Hey, okay. So now when I was preparing for government, my JAMB specifically special reference to government. Government was this subject that I love so much. Like government was, in short, it's an A course. So I don't even see any reason like to get below what I got in my government. Now, what how did I get it in government? Now, government, I have this particular textbook. It is quite small. It is quite small. Remember, the literature part was very huge textbooks, but this government textbook was quite just like this, just small like this. The name is comprehensive government. It's quite short. They have two types of comprehensive government. We have the long one that is yellow in color, and then the shorter one,
Yeah,
small, that is green and blue in color. Yeah,
yeah,
I think blue and blue in color. Now, this I must confess, this textbook I basically have the whole content on my head because I read this textbook up to 10 times. Yeah, so I basically had everything inside it on my head. I can even be sleeping and then be like be telling you the pages of your particular maybe topic is in the textbook. No, that this is the power of consistency. Girl,
yeah,
this is the power of consistency. So now, but one thing about that particular text is that you didn't cover almost everything. You didn't cover everything. So you have to I have to support myself with past question because at the point when I was reading, I checked the past question. There are certain things in the past question that I saw that's running text. Yeah, so I had to browse them. Browse them. Now, but there is this another textbook I will also refer to you guys. Modern government. Modern government, I think, is a hybrid of comprehensive government and essential government textbooks. Now, but this essential government textbook, I don't actually like that textbook at all. I don't like it. The textbook is bulky and then it is very, I don't know, the content is quite much. It doesn't go straight to the point. For me, I don't know for others, but for me, it's quite bulky and not that comprehensive for me.
yeah.
Okay, so this particular small comprehensive it was so cute. I like that textbook. I still need it in my second year law because studying constitutional law. So I still need it for my exam on Tuesday safe because there are some topics in it that we have been taught in school. And that textbook explained that topic very, very well. So now in the course of my jam, after writing my first jam, okay, my first jam I got 75, I did 76 in my government. Yeah, 76 in my government. So I had to write the second JAMB in 2019. So I got uh, 77.
Yeah.
77. So I didn't even need my past question. I just only read the text and I make my 77. So had it been I combine my past quiz also, I think I'm getting my
So,
jam for government. Now again, the advice I would give people who are writing for government now is government exam difficult. Government is forward. So just government has part one and part two. Part one and part two. So just read it over and over and over and over again. The textbook is not even that much and over again. Then get your past question, solve your past question over and over again. Like solve it. You're doing nothing at home. Solve it. It's your jump, and you have to get at least 70 for you to get admission now. Because
yeah,
70 into four places is 280. Yeah, so it's not bad. It's
yeah.
not bad. So I think
Uh,
that's that for that. Then if I should come back to write jam government again, like government jam again. Um, see what I will do. I want to go straight myself. I'll get my textbook back, get my past question back, go to the textbook once more. Like I read like two times, then go to my past question, just scan through for those questions that I may not know. Yeah,
mm,
then simple.
okay. What
I'll
year would
just
you
like
recommend
strong.
that maybe someone that is studying? What year do you recommend that the person could maybe study from?
We are in 2023 right now, so I recommend start from 2015. Start from 2015. Start from
Okay,
2015. But if you have more time, start from 2010 is not bad. Before
okay,
coming from 2010 to 2020, my dear, you have gone far. In short, you don't even need anything again. Yeah, so
okay. Ebuka, there is a question that most students always ask, and the question is that can they only depend on the past question, maybe without using their textbooks to study, just focusing on past question? Can they still score high if they don't use their textbook and only solve their past questions? Like, what do you have to say about this?
okay, about this particular set of people that
Yeah.
depend on their past question only. Now, I will only recommend you to use a particular past question. I'm still thinking about the name. Prep 50, yes. Prep 50, that's the name of the past question. Prep
So the name is
50.
what?
So Prep 50. Prep
Prep
50.
50. Okay, guys, I'll
Yes,
drop
this
the name
past
in the comment in the video description. Yeah, continue.
okay. Okay. So now this particular past question, how it's arranged every past question because they have past question in every subject, both in WAEC and JAMB. So they arranged every subject according to their topics. Every past question according to topics. You grab.
Yeah.
So you won't even like see that you didn't come across this particular topic. It's like you're reading your textbook. Reading that past question is like reading your textbook. Grab. So best thing for you to do is just go to the answer section, read everything in the answer section, it's like you're reading your textbook.
Yeah.
Then if you want to try yourself, you can go to the question section, look at the question, go to the answer, or just put that particular past question. It was so I think I can remember that's the only thing I can recommend for now.
Okay.
But then if you want to try yourself, like you want to try how far you've gone, get these other textbook, other what's it called, past questions. I can't remember one now. Just get them, try to because they arranged their own year by year, like 2010, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013. Just solve their this thing, then know your particulars in each year. You grab. Now, but it's 50 again. You did not arrange their question according to year. They arranged it according to topics.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's that.
It's almost same thing with science. Sciences. There's JAMB Reminis that they arrange. That's the only. I think that's the main textbook that I know that they arranged everything in order of topic, and not
Topics.
just
Okay.
the year. Yeah. Thank you for that. And do you
Yeah.
have any warning for those guys that are preparing for government? Any warning, whether it's on past questions, what they should be careful about, and
Um, if you're preparing with past question, just be mindful of wrong answers because some people just just go about in the past question, they'll take the answer, okay, this is the answer. They don't even care about whether the answer is correct or not. So that's why I advise insofar as you're doing your past question, read your texts. Read your text. Like if you see a wrong answer, you can detect that this is the wrong answer. Yeah. So that's just it.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay.
And also,
Okay.
then CRS.
Yeah, okay. This particular subject. Sure, sure, let's continue.
Like CRS, is it that daunting? I thought that if someone just
that,
knows
that
about the Bible,
that's all you think, right? It doesn't go that way. It doesn't even happen that way at all. Even if you're a pastor, uh, you can't even there are certain things they ask you there. Hey, shall let's continue.